All right, so one of the other really nice things that we have here is we have a super wide door. So this is actually a 14-foot door. So it just makes pulling in off the street much easier, a lot less chance of actually hitting the sides. And this will be all glass. So it will let in tons of light and just be, make it so that the shop feels bigger and nicer. All right, so here we're gonna be replacing all the windows with modern new aluminum windows, new aluminum, glass aluminum door. So that'll be a glass door, all windows. So again, same thing, tons of light, just kind of bring the outside in and just make it feel more open. The thing we don't like is that we don't like it to be like a traditional garage or a traditional shop where it's just dark. You pull in the front, they take your car in the back, and you have no idea what the hell happened to it. So you don't know what they did to it. You don't know how it's being treated, whatever. In this way, you'll be able to walk in and literally you can see. We like to say like an open kitchen where you can see your food being made. Well, here you can see your car being made, right? So you can see your car being built, worked on, and we have nothing to hide, so we always like to show off what we do, the way we protect the car, the way we work on the car. We even document the work, the stuff you won't even see.
All right, so this is what the place looks like. Emptied out, pretty awesome. Starting to look like something. Doing awesome.
How's this moving going, Hano?
Not too bad. Not too bad.
Robert, how's the moving going? Oh, good. Wow! That's awesome.